Do you want to know the perfect way to provide value to your business and become more of an authority figure in your industry? Keep on watching as we discuss one type of sales funnel and find out if it's the right one for your business. This video is a part of the Sales Funnel Training Series by Technic Force, so make sure to subscribe to our channel for other videos on marketing and sales funnels that will definitely help boost your business. Before we begin, hit the thumbs up button and share this video to help us reach more people. Let's go! A summit sales funnel is a specific type of sales funnel used to promote and sell tickets or registration for a summit or conference. It typically involves a series of steps or stages that a potential attendee goes through before making a purchase. The steps of the funnel may include awareness. The potential attendee becomes aware of the summit through various marketing tactics such as social media ads, email campaigns, or content marketing. Interest. The potential attendee expresses interest in the summit by visiting the event website, signing up for email updates, or engaging with the event on social media. Consideration. The potential attendee evaluates the summit by viewing the event website, reading testimonials, and learning more about the speakers and agenda. Decision making. The potential attendee makes a purchase decision by registering for the summit and purchasing a ticket. Each step of the funnel can be optimized to increase conversions by using specific tactics and strategies such as lead magnets, retargeting ads, and email campaigns. During the summit, it's also possible to use upsells and cross-sells to increase revenue by offering add-ons like VIP access, master classes, or other services. Many businesses and organizations use summit sales funnels to promote and sell tickets for conferences, seminars, and other events. Some examples include professional associations. Many professional associations use summit sales funnels to promote and sell tickets for annual conferences and other events. These events often attract industry professionals and offer networking opportunities, educational sessions, and keynote speakers. Event companies. Event companies use summit sales funnels to promote and sell tickets for conferences, festivals, and other events. These events often attract a wide range of attendees and offer a variety of activities such as music performances, interactive exhibits, and food vendors. Nonprofit organizations. Nonprofit organizations use summit sales funnels to promote and sell tickets for fundraising events such as galas, charity walks, and other events. These events often attract donors and other supporters who are interested in learning more about the organization and its mission. Businesses. Many businesses use summit sales funnels to promote and sell tickets for customer events, industry conferences, and other events. These events often offer networking opportunities, educational sessions, and keynote speakers to help businesses learn more about the latest industry trends and technologies. Universities and colleges. Universities and colleges use summit sales funnels to promote and sell tickets for alumni events, guest lectures, and other events. These events often attract alumni and other members of the university community who are interested in learning more about the school and its programs. These are some examples of businesses and organizations that use summit sales funnels, but there are many more. Most of the events are business to business or business to consumer. Some of them are free and some of them require payment. And that's it on what a summit sales funnel is and how it works. But before this video ends, do you want to build your successful online business without breaking a sweat? We have the right software for you. Introducing CloudFunnels. CloudFunnels is an all-in-one platform that can help you build unique funnels, landing pages, memberships, corporate sites, and more in just a few clicks. It is the easiest funnel builder with profit-boosting features you won't find anywhere else. CloudFunnels boasts of its easy-to-use drag-and-drop designer. No complex DNS setup required. No hosting hassles. Save time with 30+ ready-made templates. And make free and paid memberships. You do not require any coding knowledge to use this platform, making it a win over its competitors because it is cost-effective and effortless to use. Integrates with all the major CRMs and autoresponders, and offers many free plugins which will make your work easier and smoother. In short, CloudFunnels is all you need to set up your dream site. Make CloudFunnels your business assistant today. Go to yournextfunnel.in and take advantage of its awesome features. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you'll never miss anything from us. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.